Hi, we are going to show you how to hack Ikea with these amazing 3 products. Ikea hacking consists in creating a product, giving a new purpose to another one with some tools and imagination. We have created these products just spending 40 euros in Ikea, a 5mm plywood sheet and just A4 paper. You can find all the links for creating these products on the description. The tools you are going to use for creating these products are a hot glue gun, glue, cutter, scissors, and your imagination. The first one is going to be a charger stand. We are going to use a wireless charger, an USB cable, and a plug. And from Ikea also we are going to use this hot pad made of cork. It's only going to be €1 and it's going to improve a lot the performance of our phone. We start by downloading the blueprint from the link. Then we place them over the cork and we cut them over it with a cutter or scalpel. For making it more tight, we are going to cut a circle of paper. You can find the blueprint on the webpage and place it on the bottom. That will give more resistance to the material and it won't break. Having this, we are going to nap with this. That will be totally useful for starting to charge our mobile device. Applying some pressure and get it. Our phone can start to charge. We are going to create our second product. We are going to need 5mm plywood for creating the frame, A4 paper sheets for creating the lamp screen, and some baskets from Ikea, cable, and a light bulb. You can find on the description the file with the blueprints for creating the lamp screen and also the frame. The processes we have used is sticking together all the frames with glue, Before gluing all the frame together, you have to remember to put the cable on the inside for next step gluing in here, so your lamp can keep a straight line for making a better light. The second step is cutting the paper sheet for creating the lamp screen, then placing it all together in the center of the light bulb. Then we are going to stick together the plywood frame to the baskets. You have to do this with the hot glue gun. Don't forget to put your light bulb inside and your lamp screen. You have two positions for using this hanging lamp. The first one is hanging. And also you can use one of our hot pad corks as an stand. So you will create a lamp stand. Now we are going to go with our most interesting product, our table lamp. For creating this product, we are going to use paper, plywood, the remaining basket frames we got, a lamp cable, and a light bulb. Also, We can use the cork as a stand. You can use wherever material you desire, but this one works really good and is pretty cheap. The first step of the process is cutting our plywood for creating our frame. As before said, you have to remember, before gluing all the frame together, you have to put the cable on the inside, because later will be necessary. Then, having all this, you have to glue with a hot glue gun the cable to the frame. You have to remember to keep it straight so the light bulb can stay on the middle. Our next step is going to be putting all together. You need to put the light bulb on the frame, then the lamp screen all around the light bulb and between the baskets. And with a hot glue gun, you're going to stick the first basket to the frame. Then you have to place the lamp screen on the middle over the light bulb and put then the second basket. After this, we are going to give you the planes for our cork, so you can place the lamp in it and we'll create a perfect lamp stand. Et voilà, we have a Ikea.